Hello. I know this might seem quite random, but what I'm doing right now is trying to just solve the cube map issue, try to fix it to some extent. It seems like it is quite a deep issue, but I'm gonna try and do what I can just now. So what I'm doing now is I'm just playing around with this and seeing how the different faces appear. So what I've just done is I've actually fixed the rotation of the top and bottom faces. So previously this white face was actually rotated by 90 degrees, which is quite clearly wrong. So what I've done is I've looked at which axis the rotation is happening about. So in this case, for the top and bottom layers, it's happening around the y-axis. So I just tried out changing the y angle, and after a few iterations, it did work. So I'm going to try and do this similar thing for the other sides now. So for the back side, it might seem correct, but actually this yellow strip should be on this side here, right? So this whole back face should be rotated by 180 degrees about which axis? About the z-axis, it looks like. So what I'll do now is I'll go to back right here. This is the z-axis, so it's got to be rotation by 180 degrees. So I'll try. So 90 should work, and I'll just take a note here. Usually, what are you doing, Adam? Okay, I'm recording a video on my NEA. Usually minus 90 changed to 90. So make sure. Yeah, my teacher's gonna see this video. Yeah, you're famous now. Okay, so yeah, I'll just do this. Yeah, Adam, get out. Right. I'll restart this, see how it works. I'll try and do the same thing. Does it work? That it looks like it did work. It actually seems like the whole cube map, except for, again, the left and right faces are swapped. I think I might manually have to swap this somewhere in my code, which I don't want to have to do, but it may seem like that's what I have to do because I've looked through it all. I have no idea what could be the issue. But I mean, just looking at this band here, all the faces excluding right and left, where there actually have been changes, it seems like it is correct, right? The front face is correct, this is correct, this is correct now as well, and this bottom here is correct. So if I just move this back, rotate this, okay, now this is wrong. So that's actually quite interesting. I don't know why it's like this. Because this should just stay as... What am I looking at right now? It's quite confusing. Let's put it back. So I'm rotating the top layer, not clockwise, anti-clockwise. Right, so this is quite strange. This should be... Sorry, I'm looking at the wrong side. So where here is blue, it's supposed to be blue. Here is just kind of been rotated around, so it's just been rotated back. So I reckon if I move this back to being rotated just minus 90 degrees here on the z-axis, if I save my code and apply it, we'll see if I rotate this. Yeah, so now it's kind of working. It is working, excluding the fact that the orange and the red are swapped around. So now it works. But then obviously if I move this back and turn this, it doesn't work anymore. So it's a really weird... It's a weird thing. It's a really weird thing. So yeah, I don't think there's much more point of me just figuring this out on video, because it's already going to clog up my SSD, all these videos. But this is just a process I'm doing right now, trying to figure things out. Just trying and error. Yeah, that's... Hopefully we reach a point where this is in a much better state than it is right now.